Most people think money grows by luck, but real wealth grows through a hidden force called compounding. When your money starts working for you, it creates more money again and again without extra effort. This is how small investments slowly grow into powerful long-term wealth. Many people believe success depends on where you were born, but life proves that idea wrong. Being born rich does not guarantee success, and being born poor does not block greatness. Success comes from hunger, focus, and the courage to keep moving forward. Some people look rich because they earn a lot of money, but when their job stops, their lifestyle falls apart. A wealthy person earns even when they are not working. Their money comes from assets, not just from a salary. That steady income creates real financial freedom. Your financial future is shaped by how you think. Negative beliefs keep most people stuck. When you change your mindset, new doors open. Belief and action together create success. A peaceful life is more valuable than endless money. True wealth means stability and security. It also means living without constant financial stress. Wise money habits create a better life. Your future is built by the choices you make today.